Hello, welcome to the tvONE Training Academy. This video is all about the HD-ONE. It comes in two models, the DX and the LX. I'll explain about those in a moment. Also comes in two distances, a standard version that goes 100 meters. So that's the standard HD-based T distance, but it goes to that full 100 meters. We also do a 500-foot version, which when you want that a little bit extra distance, but you don't want to go to another technology. We also can look after 4K up to 60 meters, and that's not just for UHD 4K, but it's 4K DCI as well, so digital cinema 4K as well. So in this video, I'm going to unbox it, and then we're actually going to see one in action. So I've got a LX that's just come up from the warehouse, and we're going to have a look what's in the box. So first thing is the quick reference guide. All of our reference material, all of our manuals are available on our website, so you can download those at any time. In the side packages here, we've got power supplies. So we've got a couple of power supplies there. The version where you add the adapter for the country you need. I guess they are on the other side. Yeah, here we go. So on this side we have the adapters. By the look of it, there's US, GB, European and Australia. We've got a couple of packs of those. The LX comes with infrared eyes, because the difference in the LX and the DX was two differences. So here's the units. Two differences. You'll see if I compare the two models side by side, you'll see there's a difference in size, but the LX, which is the larger version, also does infrared comms and duplex RS232 as well. So we might use that, for example, if we're going to turn a screen on and off, or maybe you want some diagnostics back from some kit the other side. So this is the LX. You can see we have our 232, HDMI, and then pop over the other side we have our infrared ports and also our UTP. And then the smaller version is exactly the same, just doesn't have infrared or the RS232. Okay, so that's what it looks like. That's what you get in the box. What I'm going to do is actually a practical demonstration. So what I've got set up here is a pair of DX500s, and if you remember, the DX500 is the version that runs to 500 feet. So I've got a big long coil of cable that we're going to try it with. So let me just move this out the way a second so you can see exactly what's going on. So here's my unit. I just explained the setup I've got. I have this is a Surface Pro, and just to make it sort of real world, it's coming out DisplayPort into a converter, then out HDMI and into my DX500. I haven't put in the UTP cable in at the moment. Then it comes out HDMI again, and it goes to the screen behind me through the switcher. And the switcher's only here so that I can switch between the different inputs. So we'll just go to the input for the receiver end. Now, just to make this fun, I've got this reel of cable sat on the floor. Yeah, so this is a real world example. I think this is probably 300 or 400 feet of cable. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to first of all plug into the transmit end and then the receive end. And then what we'll see on the rear of the unit, we'll see comms being established. You can see status and comms, and then the signals up. Now, what's great about these units and why I love them so much is they've got really robust performance against EMC. And we all know in a lab it's very easy to show this sort of performance, but imagine if you want to get a signal, your HDMI signal across the roof, and you want to get it past all your ducting, all your heating controls, all your lighting, all your power sockets and your wireless up in the roof. These units are robust. They're the most robust I've used. The other bonus, of course, is they come in two distances. So we've got the one version that goes to the standard HD-based T distance of 100 meters, and this pair is a 500 foot, so it goes that extra distance. So that's HD-ONE. I hope you can tell how excited and passionate we are about this product here at tvONE. If you want to find out more, the best place to look is on our website, so tvone.com, or talk to one of our guys from the sales team, our partners, or why not even sign up for our training sessions, and we can do these tests for real here in our training academy. So that's the HD1 from tvONE.